Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Priyajithin. Today's dish is quite interesting. I'll be making a kiwi salad. Usually we don't add kiwis in our salads, but this one tastes really good. We know that kiwi actually has a lot of vitamin C and it also is an antioxidant. And it also boosts your immune system as well. So let's get cooking. Firstly, I'll be adding 2 kiwis which have chopped like this. Don't use kiwis that are overly soft because it will make the salad a bit too mushy. Next, I'll be adding my onions. I've taken 1 onion and I've finely chopped it. Next to this, I'll be adding baby spinach, which I've just cut up. Next, I'll be adding cooked sweet corn kernels. Next, I'll be adding my finely chopped green chilies. Next, I'll be squeezing half a lime. Next, I'll be adding a pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper. Next, I'm just going to gently give this all a mix. Finally, I'll be adding some avocados which I've chopped up. Just give this a quick toss. And there we go, my kiwi salad is ready. And there we go, sweet and tangy kiwi salad is ready. It's an excellent salad for barbecues as well. After you've tried the recipe, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homestyle Cooking. I'll see you with a new recipe next time. Until then, this is Priyajithin signing off.